Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle. So for me it's on the second page, it's called battery saver, and all you need to do is simply tap on it and it will enable. And you can see that it's enabled based on the battery color. As you can see, instead of being white as was before, now it's kind of like orangish yellow. So that is to indicate that the mode is enabled. You can also hold it, I believe, and this will take you to the settings where it will give you a little bit more information on what it exactly does. So you can see restrict the apps of activity of system apps, freeze apps in the background, clear cache whenever the device is locked, turn off services and features with high power consumption, so sync, GPS, haptic feedback, raise to wake, and all kind of other stuff. So they will be basically disabled or limited just to save on the battery. And that is how you would enable it. And if you want to disable it, all you need to do is tap on the toggle once more and it goes back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.